Welcome to SouthernCrossGO. My name's Grant. Now today we've got two good Warungs. One's brand new, it's in leg yarn. It's a Balinese Warung, specialises on ayam betutu. Let's check that out first, and then a seafood fish restaurant. It's called Bitanji. It's just ayam betutu. It's like a big joglo thing. We're going to come in and check it out in here. So at the front they've got a coffee shop and a little joglo, and at the back too. So we'll go down and check it out. Oh, I've even got a pool table in here. Pretty good. This place only sells ayam betutu. So there's ayam betutu kuah, a quarter chicken goreng, and then you can also get half a chicken or a full chicken. Half a chicken's 85, full chicken 90. Right, satay lele. Should have got some satay lele as well. Yeah. Huh? 20,000 for 5 pieces, sounds alright. So it's a joglo style, you see the big roof. It's very nice in here actually, it's all new. It's got the pool table, it's got new tables. It's very nice actually. Thank you. Iced tea tawar. It's iced tea, no sugar. Big glasses, which is good. I always get to drink one before my meal and one during and after. The waiter just said it's just been open for 1 month, so it's new. I'll leave a Google Maps link for this in the description because I'm not even quite sure what street it's on. Yeah, so it's very nice in here. It's all just new. It's got the nice Balinese style garden all the way up the whole area. A huge car park in here. And yeah, the joglo, it really does look nice. And like the waiter said, it's only been open for 1 month. And because it just specialises on ayam betutu, I'm sure it's pretty good, you know. And matcha. Oh, so they're in a little takeaway container, which is good. Matcha and honey, was it?
Yeah, they call it manji.
Manji. You've got the old antique Vesby. It's in good condition too. Like 60s or 70s Honda. I like these. You can actually buy these brand new now. They're remaking them as a new style. This one looks like it's had bigger wheels and a bigger motor put in it. Okay, so they bring the sayur, which are vegetables, bean sprouts, sambal mata and normal sambal with some peanuts. They bring that separate to the chicken. Alright, thank you. Alright, so the ayam betutu is separate with the white rice, and they give you the kuah, which is like a soup, ayam betutu flavoured soup. You pour that over your rice and your chicken and that to give it the betutu flavour. So now it's a matter of hooking in. Okay, so we'll try a little bit of this soup. So that's the betutu flavour. The idea is to put that over your rice to give it a bit of flavour. So I've got a bit of chicken. The only way to eat this properly is with your hands. Chicken rice, bit of sambal mata. So this is ayam kampung, village chicken, satay lele. They give you 5 for 20,000 for $2. So I'll grab a couple of them. And what it is like, it's different to a normal satay where they're just putting chunks of meat on. It's like a flat bamboo stick, and they mix it all up like mince, right? Garlic, chilli, everything with the chicken, and then squash it on like the mince on and just cook it like that. But ayam kampung is preferred with Indonesians more than normal broiler chickens, you know. And they're a lot more expensive to buy it too. Yeah, it's basically organic village chicken. You just said the sambal mata's got coconut made with village coconut oil instead of vegetable oil, so it's more authentic. So what do you think, Yelly? Good?
Yeah, it's good. Not too spicy.
Now there's a good fair amount of chicken on this actually. A lot of the time you don't get too much chicken, but it's definitely a proper full quarter chicken. And it's about 50,000 per set. So if you buy ayam betutu like on the street, yeah, you might get it for 15 or 20,000, but you're not going to get a full quarter chicken with it. And maybe not at this quality either. It's pretty good quality. So anyway, well worth a try. And like I said, I'll leave the Google Maps link in the description. Okay, so it's just got a huge toilet too. It's very nice, very clean. Women's, men's. It's all brand new, so it's very clean, very nice. Yeah, and Badudu was top class. There's a lot of people coming and going. There's people even getting takeaway. So it's very popular. Seeming it's just new, people are all coming in to check it out, and I can recommend it. It's very, very good. There's another little Vespa. Got a few little bikes on display. I like the old Vespas. Collector's items here. Alright, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it was very good. Alright, so that was 150,000, about 13, 14 bucks, which was really good. I had 2 drinks, Julie had a matcha and 2 ambitutus. So they've also got like danishes and pastries and croissants and things like that. Profit copy machine. So anyway, come in and check it out. We're at KAKAP, Angela, Tipanago. And this is it, yeah, right opposite thing. I'll leave a Google Maps link for it anyway. And it's just fish. Now, KAKAP means snapper in Indonesian, so they basically sell snapper. So we're going to have grilled. Hey bro, and this is where they grill the fish. He's just getting the charcoal and that going there. It just opened up. It opens at 9 o'clock in the morning actually. It opens pretty early. Yeah, we're here. It's about 10:30, 11 o'clock, so we're just going to have an early lunch and check it out. Hello. Alright, so this is it. Now they just sell fish, snapper and fish mainly.
Satu sayap goreng, satu ekor bakar, satu es teh tawar, satu.
Alright, so I got some fish and the wings. You can just buy the fish wings there. If you don't fish, well, the wings and the cheeks are the best part of a fish. So you can actually just buy the wings here and they just grill them on this. See the little wings. It looks like they're. So you can buy the tail or you can buy the wings. So they basically only sell fish. So they've got soup, like fish head soup. You can get grilled or fried. You can buy sayap, which is the wings, or ekor, which is the tail of the fish. We can get steaks, and they've also got bakso. They've got pangsit, which is like a dumpling type thing, fish dumplings. So it's a very simple menu, but it's cheap and it's good. Thank you. Right, you can also get coffees in. They got iced coffees, cappuccinos, 25,000. Hot chocolates, barley coffees only 10,000, and then iced tea 8,000. Lemon tea. Right, you can buy cans of drink 12,000, or water for 8,000. Alright, so it's open from 9 in the morning till 10 o'clock at night. So they've got papes as well, which is like mashed up fish with chilli and garlic and everything, and they grill it in banana leaf. There's also udang, bakar madu, like honey, grilled honey prawns. Right, so they've got kangkung, tumis toge, which is like bean sprouts, kangkung, and tumis pakis, which is like a fern, like a bracken fern. They eat the young leaves and fry it like a vegetable. Yeah. What's that, darling? Another new bag?
Not new.
Well, not new. Well, it must be 5 days old then.
No, it's old one.
Also free rice if you want. So if you finish your rice, you can just take as much rice as you want. And if you buy tea, you can refill. Okay, so they've got a promo. The sayap bakar is the wings, ekor bakar is the tail, and you get a steak. They've got wings, and what you do is you get unlimited rice and iced tea as well with it as part of the deal. Okay, so this is the wings. You get vegetables, looks like some choco, kangkung, tempeh, sambal, and you get the wings as well, you know, the fish wings. And that's the best part, really, is white rice. And you can keep, like I said, with this deal, you can keep refilling as much rice as you want, as much tea as you want. So that's what Yuli got. Nice.
Didn't taste fishy at all.
You just got to pick them up and chew the wings.
No.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
I'll say Aussie style. Yeah, we do it. Looks like they just give you the whole, 2 whole plants of kangkong. So the name for Choco is Labu Siam.
Dan ini sayap-sayap badan.
Alright, here you man,
Oh,
yeah.
beda. Sayur ya kalau bakar ya.
Alright.
Sama sambelnya juga beda.
Oke.
Alright, so I got sambal mata, and these are the wings, and these are the ekor, which is the tail. Now, we'll try this out. And my sambal, my kangkong is a lot different. It's got sambal and peanuts on it.
Juga plecing kangkung.
Alright.
Plecing.
Alright, so I got different pletching kangkong. She just got boiled. Okay, so let's try these wings out. Yeah, I'm just going to pick one up and eat it. I guess that's the way we do it in Australia. The best meat comes from the wings. It's got a little bit of sweet soy or something over the top. Oh, it's so tender. The good thing about the wings is no fine bones in it. Right. Bit of sambal mata, bit of fish, bit of rice. So the only way to eat wings is just pick them up and suck on. Anyway. Alright, so now to try the ekor, which is just the tail of a fish. Try that out. Bit of sambal mata, bit of meat. So it looks like a little gravy tail or something. You basically got to pick up the tail and just suck the meat off it, you know.
Enak banget. Saya sebenarnya doyan ikan.
So there's a big chunk of meat on the tail. You pick that off, and then you basically just got to suck the rest out. Get the bones around the tail. So that was pretty good. Big KAKAP, and it was worth a try. It's only about 100,000 that we got 3 meals. I got the tail, the wings. You only got the wings, and because you get rice and unlimited rice and drinks with it, well, it's pretty cheap really. So yeah, about $9 for 3 meals, about $3 a meal. So it's worth checking out. I'll leave a Google Maps link where this place is. Yeah, it's worth it. Big KAKAP. Okay, I hope you liked that video. If you did, leave it in the comments, like, comment and subscribe.